Now this is a beautiful table. The data we're typically working with looks something like this, where we have missing data and mixed formatting. In this tutorial, we'll take a look at how you can turn this into this. Let's get started. In this data cleaning exercise, we're going to focus on two primary actions. The first one, unmerging all merged cells. And the second is to fill all the blank cells with the corresponding data for a given country or region. To unmerge the cells, the first thing you'll do is select one of the cells that contains the data and hit Control A. Control A will select the entire data set. Within the Home ribbon, under the Alignment section, you can then select Unmerge Cells. Now that all the cells are unmerged, we want to address the blank cells. Once again, we go and we select a value in the table and hit Control A to select the entire data set. This time, we'll press F5 to open up Go to Special. We'll select Special, which will be Alt S. And within Go to Special, we want to select blanks, which will be K. And we'd hit the Enter button. Within the data set that we had selected, all the blank cells have now been selected. At this stage, you want to go to the formula bar and type the equal sign and select the cell directly above the equal sign in the table below. In this case, it's Argentina. To apply this formula to all of the highlighted cells, you hit Control Enter. All the new values are formulas. So if you sort now, your data is going to get mixed up. So the final step in this process is to convert all those formulas into values. One way to do this is to select the entire data set. In this case, we want to select the region and country column. We want to go up into the Home menu, into the clipboard, and select Copy. And then under Paste, we want to go down and say Paste Values. And now all the formulas have been replaced by the actual values. So when you do your sorting, the data sorts correctly. I do hope you found this tutorial useful. If you have any comments or questions, please use the comments fields below. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye for now.